Hi, welcome to LSNF's next informational clinic on our Low-Income Taxpayer Clinic series. My name is Charlotte Waters. I'm the Communications Manager for Legal Services of North Florida. With me today is Christine Kelly Fausel, our Senior Attorney in our Pensacola office. She will be speaking on economic impact payments and stimulus checks today. Hello, Christine.
Hi, Charlotte. How are you today?
Doing great. I just want to tell everyone a little bit about Legal Services. We're a private nonprofit law firm. We provide free civil legal help to eligible clients across North Florida. This video today provides legal information and should not be considered legal advice. This video does not create an attorney-client relationship or substitute legal advice you've been given. You may have defenses that we haven't discussed here, so seek out an attorney for legal help is always advisable. More about LSNF can be found at www.lsnf.org. So Christine, first off, what are economic impact payments?
An economic impact payment, which is also referred to by many as a stimulus check, is a one-time payment from the IRS to eligible individuals that was authorized under the CARES Act earlier this year. It provides relief of $1,200 per eligible taxpayer, which is $2,400 total if you're married and file a joint return, plus $500 for eligible dependents that were up to age 17 at the end of 2019.
Okay, so we've been hearing a lot about stimulus checks. Shouldn't people have already gotten their payments by now?
Well, most people have gotten their payments, but there's about 9 million Americans and almost 600,000 Floridians who have so far not received them. A lot of those people are homeless, or there may have other reasons that they didn't get them yet. And so the IRS has recently sent out letters to all of them to try to let them know that they should file, and they're trying to make a push because they want everybody to get their money, especially during this pandemic when people need that financial help so badly.
Okay, so how do people access this, and is there a deadline to try and get these checks?
So people who filed taxes in 2018 or 2019 should have automatically gotten them. People who are recipients of Social Security, veterans benefits, and other federal benefits should have gotten them automatically. But people who didn't file and people who aren't recipients of federal benefits, they wouldn't automatically be in the IRS's radar to get a check, so they had to file a non-filer return. Basically what it is it's electronically filed tax return showing $1 of income. And it was specially, the law was specially changed so that people could file that, and that would be the way that they could provide their information and get their economic impact payment. And the deadline was October 15th, but 2 days ago, they just changed it to November 21st. I know that there's still some stuff out there that says it's October 15th, but in fact, the deadline right now is November 21st. So if you see the October 15th, don't panic. You really have until November 21st.
Well, that is great to know, and good to know that there is more time for people to file now. How does Hurricane Sally affect that? There's a lot of people in your service area that were affected by Hurricane Sally. So does Hurricane Sally affect taxes or any of these stimulus checks?
Well, it does. And on October 12th, we're going to be doing another presentation along with a representative from Legal Services of Alabama, because their area was also hard hit. And we're going to talk about the deadline changes and the relief that was afforded to taxpayers in the Hurricane Sally areas by the IRS. I believe that's October 12th at 1 p.m. Central Time.
Awesome. All right. So to recap, if you have not gotten your economic impact payment, or also known as stimulus check by now, there is an opportunity to fill out a non-filer form on the IRS website, and you should do that as soon as possible. The deadline has been extended from October to November 21st. Is that correct, Christine?
That's correct.
All right, excellent. Well, thank you so much, Christine. This has been incredibly helpful. And finally, we always like to tell people speaking with an attorney when possible is helpful. For more information about LSNF and our low-income taxpayer clinic, go to www.lsnf.org or call 850-385-9007. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you very much for having me.